myself, the talented Miss Stephanie, and I are going to show you something we taught for a weekly class here at Nick's. This actually is something I haven't taught at Nick's in a few years. I taught this last year at a different venue I teach at, so I brought it back this year. So a couple years since I shared it with my dancers here at Nick's. How you begin this movement, guys, at the end of a sugar push, you're going to switch into a right hand hold. That's all. When you're doing social dancing, however you wish to get into it, your choice. But because of time restraints, we just went into a quick right to right and then started from there, okay? If I move in a right to right, you do naturally just move a little bit over to her right side because of the way your body moves because of the hand change. So I'm going to right to right. I'm off the track a little bit more on the left rail. I'm going to ask for her left hand on top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, she's going to walk past. I'm going to do a half turn to her left. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you notice what I did with Stephanie is I pulled her up onto her right foot. I step back onto my right foot just so that connection moves forward. So 1, 2, 3, pull her forward. So going front to back. Now you're not going to be able to see her so much, but you're going to see how I turn her 1, 2, 3, and pull it forward. And I'm also moving still off to her right on the track for what's coming up next. It helps me do the big turn. So on the sugar push here, switching right to right, ask for her left, 1, 2, 3, pull her forward. Okay, now this is called a merry-go-round because of what we're doing for the next part. Take some time to work with your partner. We have a good follow. It shouldn't take like long to fix, to work through. Sugar push again, right to right. We're going to stop on 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to start turning her to her right on 5, 6. 5, 6. I'm traveling with her. Going to get a little bit behind her. Okay, I don't lose connection with either hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So again, the next part is the key to making this work. So going in sway. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I'm on my left. Stephanie's on her right. Now 7, 8 is where we do a little bow tie. And we start a clockwise rotation. So we're going to go to 7, 8 from there. So after the sugar push, 3 and 4, we're going to add 2 more steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm doing is I'm stepping through, starting to continue rotating clockwise, which makes her turn clockwise as well. But how you do that, that's the key to this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. My left hand's holding her left. Step through. For 7, bring my right arm through, and I step forward on my 8 foot, on my 8 count. And I take my right hand. You can either hold her hand, or you can put your connection onto her right shoulder. No death grip. But you want to keep a connection with both hands from there. So after sugar push, you guys remember, stay off the track. Make sure you go around her. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to add some walks. 9, 10. When I let her go, she's going to continue traveling that way for 11 and 12. You can keep doing walks if you want because maybe you want to have more walks. But I like doing just a couple because it's what I choose. So after the right to right, I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, let her go, triple step. Just make sure that key is that over the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I let her go, and then she ends up with her left to my right. But it's a really cool move if you have a good partner that understands the move. One more time real quick. Called the merry-go-round. Thank you guys for coming tonight. Don't forget, subscribe. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a free video every week. We hope you like it. Hope you use it. More importantly. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing. Bye-bye.